Hi everyone, I'm here with an awesome couple that acted with me in the same scene as me, and I'll leave them to actually introduce themselves. Do you guys like to introduce yourself to the audience?
Yeah, so myself Manish and I'm an IT professional.
Hi, my name is Swapna and I'm also an IT professional. I'm working as a data analyst here in Singapore.
And we both are married to each other from past 8 years.
And your roles in the movie?
So I'm playing role of a guy, Shivam, who is sort of like a youngster and he is somewhere involved in this particular case, and he is assisting the CBI, the retired CBI officer, and I have love interest in her. That's my role.
About me, basically, I'm playing a role of one young researcher who is involved in this case. She wants to know more about this case, what has happened, and she is raising the voice of general people over there. So I'm acting as a young girl who is looking for what is happening after the case.
Okay, so what is your experience? Both of you actually acting for the first time. So how was it as the first time acting and as well as together in the scenes? How did you feel?
But when I met Aarti, she told me how to act. Means even I don't need to think what exactly I need to do. She was so particular about each and every scene. She know what exactly she want. When she has her own clarification and vision about each scene. So when she says something to me, do like this. So I just followed her. Means it's exactly the replica what she wanted. So I sometimes I feel it's because of her I'm able to do that acting, whatever she told me.
Yeah, it was same for me. So for me, it's the second time working with Aarti and Shin's production. First time was for some other movie which somehow like got stopped in between. But when I got to know that there is another opportunity in this particular movie, and that too I was getting opportunity to work with Swapna, so then I was like, okay, why not go for it? And working with Aarti as usual, because we're not coming from acting background, so it was like lots of learning. She always explained you like in the utmost detail, like how she want the scene, where you have to look at, how your tone should be, everything. So she is teaching you like a teacher, and it's just you have to just follow her and deliver her what she wants. That's it.
Okay, so both of you acted like for yourself. You were having love interest in your wife again, kind of scene so was there. How was it difficult to play those roles, or you just did it as it came?
To be frank, means when we started recreating the same thing was very difficult because we have already gone through that phase. But when Aarti said, okay, you go back to that particular period and then just try to do the same thing, then only it came out.
Yeah, so it's like we have already done all those things like maybe like 9-10 years back.
Yeah.
So again going back and then doing same, it's not possible like to bring back the same emotions. But yeah, somewhere she guided us and then told like she like show us in a way, like she first enact herself and then we try to copy her. So this is how we did.
Because I was on the scenes with them as well. I saw like certain scenes that they are looking at each other for the first time, and, winking and all that. Yeah.
Exactly. Yeah.
Yeah.
So say if I'm having like love at first sight, but I'm already seeing her for like 9-10 years, so how I can ignore that? So
Yeah.
those things are.
But it's definitely an interesting experience.
Yeah.
So do you both have other experiences that were interesting to share to the audience?
Yeah, means there was one specifically related to the green backdrop, because I like
That's
Hollywood movies where I saw okay how the movies are being made. So I saw the green backdrop and actors and like the people are like acting in front of it. But this was our chance to do in front of it, and then here you see like how the director is visualizing the scene, like what's going in the director's mind. So all those things shows you sort of like the vision of the director, and then you are just acting in front of means in front of the green backdrop, but you don't know what you are going to see when the final result will come. So that is sort of like a surprise element, and I'm still waiting to see that surprise element, like what's going inside Aarti's mind and what we are going to see as a, like the final result. Yeah.
Yeah, for me, basically, working in the green background is okay. Means I can understand what Aarti wants. But the last day of shoot was very excited for me because it was in ECP outdoor shooting. After finishing that scene, I felt so relaxed and very nice. That feeling was very good.
Yeah, I mean, I really enjoyed working with you guys, doing the scenes together. And yourselves, would you be looking forward to, if you had another call to come and act?
Yeah, why not?
For me,
It's
yeah,
fine.
I'm just waiting for the next chance.
So, yeah, it was great working on a movie with you guys. And
Same here, Pam.
Yeah, but I just want to mention one more thing. When I was working with you and Ram especially, it was very helpful for me to work with people like 2-3 minutes and make me comfortable. Just wanted to thank you both.
you're welcome.
Yeah.
We had fun on the shoot. And
Yes,
yeah,
yes.
I mean, thoroughly.
Really, really nice experience.
Yeah, and it was like all of us together, like naturally blended
Yeah.
together, not like strangers
Exactly.
coming together to work at the first time.
Yeah, so it was like good collaboration, and we all are like supporting each other because we know we are not like that trained actors. So
It's a teamwork.
Yeah, it was really good feeling. Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah, and we're gonna miss this gel.
That connection.
Yes.
Yeah. Yeah. So, but the thing is, we just look forward to future projects.
Yeah.
Yeah.